Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on Redmi 17. So, the easiest solution would be performing a restart of our smartphone. So press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle down and wait until your device restarts. After that, try going to your device's settings if this didn't help, of course. So swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon. Then go to brightness, display and brightness settings. Disable automatic brightness and set a stable manual brightness level. And lastly, go to refresh rate and try setting the custom refresh rate and set it to 60 Hz to have stable 60 Hz. This should help you out with your issue. Lastly, let's go back to settings. Make sure that we have Wi-Fi connection. And in settings, you're gonna have to go to About Phone section. Scroll down. No, do not scroll down, but tap on Xiaomi HyperOS and let your device check for any available updates. If you find one, then download and install the newest software update and then let your device restart. After the software update, this issue should be fixed. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.